Caldi everyone. So let's go. Here at Caldi.
Hello everyone, nandito ako ngayon sa Caldi everyone. So hinahanap ko yung nabalitang may sinigang dito sa Caldi store. Actually, I found this 100 yen sinigang soap. But this is not a powder, this is a soap. Tsaka ihalo daw siya sa sabaw. So try natin, may dalawang natira. So it's 108 yen include the tax. So let's try here at Caldi, and I found the sinigang soap here. So let's go. So mayroon ako nahanap na sinigang here at Caldi store. Bayaran natin.